Agentic AI understands multi-step processes, coordinates tasks between departments, adapts in real time, and eliminates bottlenecks. The result? 40 to 60% faster cycle times. These AI agents don't just follow rules, they think. They analyze patterns, detect risks, prioritize tasks, and even prevent SLA breaches. Instead of replacing legacy systems, Agentic AI connects and optimizes them. Low-code automation, seamless integrations, and unified data, at a fraction of the cost and time. AI agents monitor data 24/7, trigger actions, predict issues, and improve throughput by up to 50%. Enterprises finally move from reactive to proactive. From autonomous service desks to finance, supply chain, sales, and marketing. Agentic AI isn't just another tool, it's a strategic transformation blueprint. The enterprises that adopt Agentic AI now will lead the future.